Conor McGregor privately urged Taoiseach Micheál Martin to meet him for dinner to discuss how the fighter could bolster relations with the US President Donald Trump. The Irish Independent can reveal the MMA fighter penned a letter to the Fianna Fáil leader in late August, urging him and his wife Mary to meet at his restaurant, the Black Forge Inn in Dublin, to engage in a constructive dialogue regarding the challenges confronting our nation and its people. The correspondence also set out McGregor's desire to discuss the objectives of his campaign for the presidency of Ireland. The letter was sent just weeks before McGregor, who lost a civil rape case last year, urged his online supporters to lobby councillors in a bid to get on the presidential ballot, following months of social media posts criticising the selection process. McGregor has been vocally critical of the Irish government, telling US conservative talk show host Tucker Carlson last year it was responsible for the erasure of Irish culture due to its immigration policy. In his letter, he invited Mr. Martin to explore collaborative approaches for addressing issues to secure a better future for Ireland together. Penning the letter with his full name, Conor Anthony McGregor, underneath a crest of a stag and crown, the MMA fighter told Mr. Martin he was supremely confident he could achieve a favourable outcome for Ireland on trade with the United States, given his relationship with Trump.